Hey guys, I'm at Knott's Berry Farm.
Over here is draft ride too. So I don't really get really wet at all. It's alright. If we're gonna do that, we can do that early.
River Rapid Ride, whatever it's called. Oh boy.
Oh no.
Did anyone check that we were even in? Nope. This place, I swear, you have to be self-aware.
He did.
Oh no, there's like a thing here. Oh god. That wasn't that bad.
Well, we don't want our backs to it, Ethan.
No, we don't.
no.
That's gonna be you. That's all gonna be you. That's all gonna be you.
Get your feet in.
My feet, Ethan took them.
Ethan, move your feet to that side.
No, I'm gonna be in Studio area.
No! Turn it around! Turn it around! Yes! Oh,
This is the best ride ever.
Ethan, you're not velcroed in!
It's not letting me. If I stand up here, it won't let me.
Okay. I'm sure you're fine. Just don't fall out.
Oh, what the
Here goes Erica!
No, why? Why would you do this to me? I'm bracing for it.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, that wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
Oh no, no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Yes.
Oh, we just nailed it. Thank goodness. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
That was so cold. Why are you guys getting all the... Yeah, take that! Take that! Vengeance.
There's like a side open. Why are you not getting it? I can't. I just got a big spot. But now I'm backwards. I can't say anything. Oh
No! Oh my god! Ah.
Oh, those guys are running the cannon.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, I don't want to be backwards. I have no place for my feet.
My feet keep slipping. Oh, this is gonna be a wild video.
Put them right here where all the
Oh,
water
why are we going so fast this way? Oh, here we go. All right.
No, I don't want to be facing backwards.
Oh, Ethan?
I'm not even sure if I got him.
Oh, yeah.
No! No! Of course, the one time I step down, it goes on the floor.
Are you okay? Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna ride Pony Express, and I'll see you on the next ride that I can film. Because Pony Express, I don't think I can film. Okay, the ride's down. Guess I'm riding it in a few minutes, or whenever they get it up. We're headed to that ride right there. Let's go. I'm filming this area because it's just such a cool area to go. Look at that ride. Oh. Oh. Down they go. Imagine that ride. Goodness. But yeah, this is our ride. Let's go. Oh my god, Dad. I don't think this is a ride I can film. I think I can, but I'm not sure yet. So if it's not in the video, I couldn't film it. Getting something to eat. Just rode the log fume, and also these are the only things I got wet on there. Can you believe that? Anyways, we're going to Jaguar now. So breaking news, this might be the end of the video because Fairy Tales is closed, and then I tried going to. I don't think I can film. So if this is really the end of the video, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
It's not even on the train.
Howdy.
You guys scared me. That plastic thing.
Now, y'all accounts be too careful with this here line. Remember, one straight line.
Alrighty, folks. Scooter remains seasonal. Stop that train! I'll set the charges. It's too late.
Well, that was Calico Mine Train. Well, I'm finally done with Knott's Berry Farm. Hope you liked the video. Bye. And make sure you like and subscribe.